Favorite dish to cook? I would say Yorkshire pudding. It's a Scottish thing. Love it. Favorite spot at home? I would have to say where I have my ping pong table because I'm a ping pong nerd. As a kid, favorite color, red. As an adult, rainbow. I like all colors. Dogs, definitely dogs. Or cats that act like a dog. Messiest spot in the house, Linda's vanity. Take that. It's true, it's totally true. Or the foot of the bed because that's where I throw my clothes. I go everywhere. I travel to find inspiration. So abroad, industrial, commercial units, whatever it is, I just find inspiration everywhere. Can I say quartz? Because it's zero maintenance and I'm lazy. Drill. Why use my own muscles when I can use technology? Okay, my number one go-to snack, pistachios. I am obsessed with pistachios. Oh, there's so many. Chicken fingers, pizza, bacon cheeseburger, pizza. First concert was Puff Daddy and Family. It was amazing. Mace, who else was there? Mary J. Blige, I think, was there. Oh, there was a whole bunch of amazing artists. So that was my initial love for sort of R&B and hip hop. I've done so many jobs. I should be like 100 for the amount of jobs I've done. I was a carpet cleaner, valet, I was parking patrol, I was a mall cop, no big deal. I also worked at a pizza shop, which was actually not weird. It was awesome because I would deliver pizzas and then I could have one for me and then one that I delivered and then another one for me. And then... Oldest object at home will actually be these coins in my coin collection. I have a bunch of coins from 2,000 years ago. They were from Roman times. So I'm a total nerd when it comes to coins. I go to my office if I need to focus because I have no distractions. If you ask my wife, she would say that the toilet, and I would close the water closet door. That's where I go to concentrate because I spend time in there. In the shower, I probably sing in the shower more than think because I get in there and I just start scrubbing my hair and the acoustics are so great. It makes me sound amazing. You can tell everybody this is your song, this is your shower song. Weirdest object at home. Okay, I have it's called a body form and it's my body and it hangs, it's on a pole and it rolls around, it's in the closet. It drives Linda nuts because it scares her because she'll see a body, like a form in the closet, but it's so that I don't have time to do tailoring on some stuff before a shoot so that they can use that. It's got a dirty butt too, and it's weird because I'm like, Linda, can you clean the butt off the Drew form because it's dirty? Somebody dragged it on the ground.